Our project is about the implementation of Plane to 5S and Pucayoke. The members team are Norma González, Rocío Gutiérrez, Diana Trejo, Melina Urbina, Adrián Castañeda, and me, Raxel Alanis. Justification. The reason that we decided to perform a plane to the implementation of these tools is because the company hasn't visual management and a standard work. The security conditions aren't the correct, and customers don't trust when see these conditions.
Sort, move equipment and material unnecessary as the following objects: wheels, tires, and other objects.
Straighten this accommodation will be made in order to reduce time in finding material or tool. Should be sorted according to the given frequency of use. It should delineate areas and should place a symbol referring to the type of material and card with your name. The dice must be ordered by frequency of use.
Shine. Clean the entire work area to reduce accidents and improve quality, as well as also to improve employee satisfaction.
Standardize are implementing from process date procedures and activities assigned to be performed by each of the employees of the company. Multicajas de cartón CADCB liquid-wise has the ability to know only some machinery and determine the operation, implementation of standard in the workplace, training of daily activities, follow the rules assigned, have the cleaner communication with employees, stability, and welfare.
Sustain. How to apply in multicajas de cartón. Establish standards and process based on the previous stage of 5S, if this has not been done, or enter a certification program. For employees, the 5S process should be a stimulus for the moral and mutual respect. The common tools are designed and properly stored.
Safety. When we went to the company, we detected some problems of security. For example, in the Thompson machine, when the die cut the cardboard sheet, the operator is in potential danger because the surface where the person works isn't safe. In this area, there is scrap that when the worker steps, he may slip it, and as the die cut the cardboard, also can cut or hurt to the worker. Also, the person may suffer other damages as strokes or fractures. Other problem that we detected is about the fire extinguishers because these devices aren't distributed in the right way. We saw as most of these are located around him, preventing the proper flow, and if I want to use it, will be difficult or impossible to take it. Other problem that we detected is about the rock material. The way of accommodate the rock material isn't correct. Actually, they aren't using some kind of control when accommodate in their respective area. As a result, some type of movement may cause some kind of accident.
Well, the next is the Pocayoke. We implemented the Pocayoke in this machine is three pieces of a sponge, and this is to provide the carton board move when the machine is working. Also, is for the sustain the cardboard and the swage make the good job in this machine.
Benefits expectatives. Increment of the safety, increment of the productivity, increment the productive quality, reduction of walking and waiting time.
Capture the situation. Draw diagrams, spaghetti workflow in the area to stabilize ways on working the fixed boundaries. Time, process, and takes picture of before and to stabilize performance beside. Unnecessary wrap, first S, walking to workplace, be removing everything that is not necessary to regulate the flow of work or excess inventory. Throw the trash and drag the items you are sure and wait on the level, the future evaluation.
Site requirements. Moves the tools and materials near the place of use. Make the easiest things to find and access. Use indicators such as boards, tape edge, inventory levels, and mind max how to easily detect the missing items. 4. Delete dirt. Clean the area, remove dirt, repairing damaged equipment, and clean the workplace in general. This will provide a good attitude and help avoid the broken windows syndrome.
Anomalies flags. 4S. Implements daily list controls to maintain 5S. Create rules on owners and maintain the first 3S as part of the light work. 6. Further improvement, the first S exposes of these results and pictures and before and after. On the wall near the walk area, follow the result over time to show improvement. Encourage managers to walk throughout the work area as to routine about there after the 5S.
7. Revisit 5S area often leads by example and always try to eliminate the root of the problems identified in the weekly audits. In the recent survey of a Lean Enterprise Institute, recidivism was identified as a main reason for failure of a Lean transformation. Be prepared for relapse and I have prepared measures to combat it. Who and when will the implementation? This implementation has to be made by the manager of Multicajas de Cartón S.A.S.B. The audit is followed every fortnight for verify that the conditions they are working on implementing this system falls. The charge in this case is Mr. Gustavo Quintana blowing a path reviewing the area using a checklist to make sure